I said, not too much thought. So all I'm gonna do here, these edges are a bit sharp. I'm gonna run them through, and I got a chamfer bit in here from the project here. So again, I got a router here. Another thing I made on my laser. This can pop out. You know, you can use as a router. Using it, it can sit. It can sit on the workstation. Just falls back into place here. Here, we'll set it up. Alright, you see a lot better with that shaped edge. I got my marking where I want to put my handle. I'm just going to cut two holes out, and then I'm going to use the my jigsaw just to hog that out, and then maybe I'll run the router.